Hey guys, Dr. Dan Edmonds here at Freedom Family Chiropractic, and we have one of our amazing massage therapists, Ehud. Ehud is going to tell us a little bit about Shiatsu and something I'm fairly new to. How long have you been with us?
2 years.
2 years, so about 2 years. This is something I wish I knew 10, 15, 20 years ago because, playing sports, wrestling in particular, I was telling Ehud, I was like, man, I wish I had this like right before wrestling practice, really loosened me up, or before a match, and it really complements corrective chiropractic work that we do in the office. So if you haven't had a Shiatsu, schedule. Ehud's here Tuesday, Thursday, Friday by appointment only because it's a little bit different than, that's a lot different than a regular massage. We're out here on a mat. And Ehud, what is Shiatsu?
So hi guys, as Dr. Dan said, my name is Ehud Borovoy and I'm the practitioner here for Shiatsu. I also do regular massage if that's another case, if you're interested in that. So Shiatsu basically is a Japanese technique based on Chinese medicine. So let me have Dan lay down so I'll show you while I talk.
Face down.
Face down. So the difference between two of the massages is one that you are fully clothed in comfortable clothes because I'll be moving you around. So I don't use oils or lotions if that's something that deters you from coming to a massage. Some people don't like the sensation of oil on their body. Second of all, I use a lot of manipulation of the joints, stretching of the body, and pressure points. So a lot of times I'll be hovering over your body and putting some pressure with my body on top of you. So the effect that you get from pressure is a lot more lasting than a regular effleurage or regular massage because it can last for a longer period of time, sometimes even days. And I will go around and I will stretch your body and I will work with your range of motion in order to increase your range of motion. So a lot of times people have problem with stretching or they feel that they need more stretching. So I'm here to help you in any way possible. And as I said, I also manipulate joints. So just to check the range of motion and working with your comfort level, I will move around your joints. For example, here I'm moving, if Giselle can come closer, you can see that I'm moving all this area of the scapula, shoulder, and that helps the muscle to release better because it's all connected together. And that ties into the chiropractic care because even though they only manipulate your joints and your bones, it's all connected to the muscles. So we work hand in hand. So actually you'll be beneficial to get a massage or this type of Shiatsu with your chiropractic care to get a better result. Thank you. Let's get up.
All right.
How do you feel, Dr. Dan?
Oh, I feel amazing. But we're going to finish up with my Shiatsu, so if you want to see the full thing, go ahead and call the office and get your schedule today.
See you guys.
Have a good weekend.